Sign shapes and colors. In this chapter, signs, signals and pavement markings help indicate the rules of the road designed for the safe movement of vehicles, pedestrians and cyclists. As a driver, you're required to know them. The shapes of signs enable you to identify them in darkness, fading light, fog, rain or snow. Fluorescent yellow-green pentagon indicates school area. Drive cautiously. Children could be crossing the street. Diamond warns you of possible dangerous conditions, either on or near the roadway, e.g., a sharp curve turn, side road, intersection, narrow bridge. Slow down to keep full control of your vehicle. Octagon is used only for stop signs. Always come to a complete stop. Triangle with the tip pointing down means you must yield the right of way. Slow down and, if necessary, stop. Triangle with each tip cut off indicates a slow-moving vehicle. Crossbuck indicates a railway crossing. Always slow down and look both ways for trains before crossing the tracks. You must yield the right of way to trains. Square or rectangular signs regulate traffic and direct the driver. Note times listed on signs follow the 24-hour clock so that 00 equals midnight. 1 a.m. to noon remains the same. 1300 equals 1 p.m. 1400 equals 2 p.m. 1500 equals 3 p.m. 1600 equals 4 p.m. 1700 equals 5 p.m. 800 equals 6 p.m. 1900 equals 7 p.m. 2000 equals 8 p.m. 2100 equals 9 p.m. 2200 equals 10 p.m. 2300 equals 11 p.m. Driver's Handbook. Chapter 4, Signs and Signals. 1. All chapters. Greater than 2. Chapter 4. Warning signs. In this chapter, these signs warn of possible dangerous conditions immediately ahead. Very sharp right turn ahead. Divided highway begins ahead. Sharp right curve, maximum recommended speed 40 km per hour. Divided highway ends ahead. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. Two-way traffic ahead. Winding road ahead. Right lane ends ahead. Road ends, exit right or left. Left lane end ahead. Bump ahead. Merging roadways ahead. Steep hill ahead. Hidden intersection ahead. Bridge ices. School area indicated by fluorescent yellow-green pentagon. Narrow bridge ahead. Hazard marker showing an obstruction. Stop ahead. Low structure clearance 4.1 meters. Traffic signals ahead. Right curve ahead. Playground ahead. School crosswalk ahead. Deer crossing area ahead. Railway crossing advance warning. Track position indicates the angle the railway tracks cross the road. Road slippery when wet. Traffic island ahead. Roundabout ahead. Pavement ends. Maximum recommended speed on exit 40 km per hour. Maximum speed limit change ahead. Reserved bus lane ahead. Reserved lane located in curb lane of cross street. If turning right, enter the second lane from the curb. Reserved lane located in median lane of cross street. If turning right, enter the curb lane. Prepare to stop. When the amber lights on the sign are flashing, approaching drivers should be prepared to stop as the traffic signal ahead is red or about to turn red. Railway crossing sign. This railway crossing sign is equipped with warning lights and bells. When the lights are flashing and the bells are ringing, be prepared to stop as they warn you of an approaching train. The number on the square sign under the railway crossing sign indicates the number of train tracks. Refer to the railway crossing section for further information. Driver's Handbook. Chapter 4, Signs and Signals. 1. All chapters. Greater than 2. Chapter 4. Construction and maintenance signs. In this chapter, these signs warn you of road construction and maintenance areas ahead. Slow down to a safe speed. At some locations, maximum speed limits are posted. Drivers must watch for and obey the instructions of flag persons. Driver's Handbook. Chapter 4, Signs and Signals. 1. Driver's Handbook. Chapter 4, Signs and Signals. 1. All chapters.